Love trains. I've been told that a million times within about a 24-hour period, and I believe it's true. And so last night I went home and I prayed a lot about Caden and trains. And this is what I think God wants me to share with you today. There's a reason why Caden loved trains. Trains were a gift from God for Caden. But Miss Amy and Mr. Marshall, trains are a gift from God for you. That seems silly, preacher. Maybe so. Talk to my congregation. They think I'm weird anyway. But here's what I mean. I think trains are going to be God's gift to you to show you the way through. Today, tomorrow, the weeks ahead, the months ahead, and the years ahead. And so there are two train songs I want to share with you today. I bet Caden knew them well. The first train song is The Little Engine That Could. It says, there was a little railroad train with loads and loads of toys, all starting out to find a home with little girls and boys. And as the little railroad train began to chug along, the little engine up in front was heard to sing this song. I feel so good today. Oh, hear the track, oh, clickety-clack, I'll go my merry way. The little train went rousing on so fast it seemed to fly, until it reached a mountain that went almost to the sky. The little engine moaned and groaned and huffed and puffed away, but halfway to the top, it just gave up and seemed to say, I can't go. I can't go. I'm as weary as can be. I can't go. I can't go. This job isn't for me. But then there came another railroad train, the smallest ever seen. And though it seemed that he could hardly pull himself along, he hitched onto the train, and as he pulled, he sang this song. Faster and faster. I think I can, I think I can, I think I can. I think I can, I think I can, I think I can. I think I can, I think I can, I think I can. I think I can, I think I can, I think I can. I have a plan. And then up the great big mountain with the cars and all full of toys. And soon they reach the waiting arms of little girls and boys. And though that ends the story, it will do for you lots of good. To take a lesson from the little engine that could. I see your family in that story. Your family's been through a lot, and you've endured a lot. Last night I saw pictures of the family filled with merry and gladness and laughter and joy and kisses. You're a loving family. You're like that little train at the beginning of the story, just going up the railroad tracks full of gladness and joy. But now you face a big mountain that seems as high as the sky. It seems impossible to pass. And I know that little railroad train paints how you feel today. Today you feel like I can't go, I can't go. I'm weary as can be. I can't go, I can't go. This job just isn't for me. I don't blame you. There isn't a dry eye here. We all feel that pain. So I promise you today, we gathered here to remember Caden's life and to remember the hope Christ offers. So where's the hope today? Our hope is in that little engine that could. Today, God seems so small. And He seems distant and far away. Can I be honest? I trust that God may seem small and little and far away, but it's because He's like that little engine that could. And so today you can rest assured that God is like that little engine that could. He's strong enough. He's powerful enough, I promise. He's strong enough to carry you through. Just hitch your cart of confusion to Him. Sling all of your fears, your frustrations, your aggravations, sling it upon Him. He's strong enough. He's powerful enough.